You can't eat my food. You know it's not good for you. Yes. But it's not good for you, baby. But you're not allowed. Oh, wow. You're just a baby. Come on. Okay, you're not a baby. You're a big boy anymore. Big boy na ka. So you're a big boy. You're a very big boy now. So, not a baby anymore. So you just want to eat whatever you like. Oh, wow. Sassy. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. How come? Hmm? How come? Ay, ay. Oh, oops. Oh, ah! Baby, don't do that. You're too loud. You're too loud. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. 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 I believe you. Okay. That's it. My goodness me. Why so grumpy today? You are not allowed to eat. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'll stop eating. Since you can't eat, then I should not eat too. Okay. Okay. Okay.